morning, I'm Reuben Green, your Chief Superior Court Judge, and I want to welcome you to Cobb Superior Court. The Cobb Judicial Circuit is one of the busiest circuits in the state of Georgia. Each year, litigants file nearly 20,000 new cases. That works out to 2,000 cases per Superior Court judge. And I can tell you, without jurors like you, we would not be able to resolve many of those cases. Your presence here helps us to resolve many of those cases. Jury service is one of those important civic responsibilities that we get the opportunity to do in this great country of ours. Like voting, it's as close as most citizens get to serving in their government. So I want to thank you for that service. And I hope that your experience this week is a good experience serving as a juror. Again, I'm Reuben Green, your Chief Superior Court Judge, and I want to welcome you to Cobb Superior Court.
Jury duty allows you, as an American citizen, the unique opportunity to participate in the judicial process and help maintain a balanced system of government vital to our democracy. We know your time is valuable, and although you will likely experience a lot of waiting around today, know there is a lot going on behind the scenes, and your presence here plays an important role in helping the court conduct its business. Cobb Superior Court is the highest level court in Cobb County and currently has 10 judges that hear cases and administer a wide range of decisions. At this time, we'd like to introduce you to the judges serving the Superior Court of Cobb County. Judge Mary Staley Clark presides over the Mental Health Court. She has been a judge in Cobb County since 1983, serving on the Superior, State, and Magistrate Courts. Prior to being elected to the bench, she served as an assistant district attorney in the Cobb Judicial Circuit. Judge Staley Clark is a graduate of the University of Georgia Law School and the University of West Georgia. She has held leadership positions on the Council of Superior Court Judges and the Council of Accountability Court Judges. Judge S. Lark Ingram has been a Superior Court judge since 1995, qualifying without opposition for re-election since 1996. Judge Ingram was elected by the other Cobb County Superior Court judges to serve as Chief Judge from 2007 through 2008. Prior to becoming a Superior Court judge, he served as a Cobb County State Court judge and as an Assistant United States Attorney. Judge Ingram received her undergraduate degree from Emory University and her Juris Doctorate from the University of Georgia School of Law. Judge Robert E. Flournoy III has been a Superior Court judge since 2000. Prior to becoming a judge, he practiced law for 20 years in Cobb County, handling civil and criminal cases. Judge Flournoy graduated from the University of Georgia School of Law cum laude and received his undergraduate degree from the University of Georgia magna cum laude. Judge J. Stephen Schuster was elected to the Cobb County Superior Court in 2004. Prior to joining the Superior Court bench, he served Cobb County as a juvenile court judge and also as a prosecutor in both state and superior courts. After prosecuting cases for 4 years, he started his own law firm in Marietta, focusing on business, family law, and litigation matters. He is a current member and past president of the Cobb County Bar Association and also a member of the State Bar of Georgia, where he served on the Board of Governors for 14 years. Judge Schuster is a graduate of the University of Georgia School of Law and Tulane University. Judge Tane Kell was appointed to the Cobb Superior Court on December 10, 2007. He served as the Chief Judge of the court in 2016 and 2017. Judge Kell presides over the Cobb Intermediate Drug Court and assists with the Cobb Adult Drug Court. Before becoming a Superior Court judge, Judge Kell was a private attorney at the Brock Clay Law Firm in Marietta and also served for 10 years as an Assistant Attorney General in the State Law Department. He graduated from the University of Georgia School of Law in 1987. Judge Reuben Green presides over the Veterans Court. He has been a Superior Court judge since 2010. Prior to becoming a judge, he was a federal and state prosecutor. Judge Green is a graduate of the Emory University School of Law and Lewis and Clark College. Judge Rob Leonard has been a Superior Court judge since 2012. Prior to that, he served on the bench in the State Court of Cobb County. Before getting into public service, he was the managing partner of a local law firm in Marietta. He received both his undergraduate and law degrees from the University of Kentucky. Judge Gregory Poole has been a Superior Court judge since 2013. Prior to joining the Superior Court bench, Judge Poole served for 10 years as a Cobb County juvenile court judge. He practiced law from 1985 to 2003. He is a graduate of the Presbyterian College and the Cumberland School of Law at Samford University. Judge Ann B. Harris was elected to the Superior Court bench in July of 2014 after serving here in Cobb as an assistant district attorney for 19 years. She presides over Cobb County's Parental Accountability Court, an alternative to incarceration that seeks to transform chronic non-payers of child support into self-sufficient, financially supportive parents. Judge Harris is also part of a cooperative effort with the Republic of Georgia and the U.S. State Department to promote the independence of the Georgian judiciary and to strengthen the rule of law in that country. Judge Harris earned her law degree from Vanderbilt University and her bachelor's degree from Auburn University. Judge Kim Childs started her career as a jail guard and then a paralegal. While working, she attended Georgia State University's College of Law at night, graduating magna cum laude. After law school, Judge Childs litigated complex business and commercial disputes. Judge Kim Childs was elected to the Superior Court in May of 2016. For more information regarding your Superior Court judges, you can visit our website at www.cobbcounty.org/Superior Court or pick up a judge's brochure from the juror check-in desk. The judge's role during a jury trial is similar to that of a referee, ensuring a fair and impartial trial for all parties involved in a case. The judicial process is complex and involves multiple entities working with our judges to ensure the efficiency of the court system. Many of these individuals you will see during your time here. Upon arriving at the courthouse this morning, you likely came into contact with deputies working for our elected sheriff, Neil Warren. The Sheriff's Office oversees the courthouse security and assigns a deputy to every courtroom to help maintain a safe and secure environment. Sitting in front of the judge during court proceedings, you will find the courtroom clerk and the court reporter. The courtroom clerk works for your elected clerk of Superior Court, Rebecca Keaton. The clerk's office is the official record keeper of the court and maintains all evidence and legal documents related to each case filed in Cobb County. During a trial, the clerk assigned to the courtroom will ensure all evidence presented is properly admitted and stored in the clerk's office. The court reporter is responsible for making an official record of everything spoken during a court proceeding. They do this by using a specialized machine that enables them to produce official transcripts of court hearings. Each courtroom is assigned a bailiff that maintains order in the courtroom and ensures the efficiency of the court proceedings. The bailiff is responsible for escorting jurors to and from the courtroom and assists the judge throughout the jury trial process. The tables inside the well of a courtroom are designed for the parties involved in the case. In a legal action, the person bringing forth the complaint is referred to as the plaintiff and will typically be seated at the table closest to the jury box. In criminal proceedings, the district attorney's office is the party bringing forth the complaint. Your district attorney in Cobb County is Joyette Holmes. The district attorney's office prosecutes all crimes committed in Cobb County and assigns prosecuting attorneys to every courtroom to prosecute these cases. The party who the complaint is being made against is known as the defendant. If they chose to be represented by an attorney, they will sit at the table furthest away from the jury box. When a courtroom is ready to begin the jury trial process, the judge will request multiple jury panels report to the courtroom to participate in a process known as voir dire. During voir dire, prospective jurors are asked questions from the judge and attorneys from both sides to determine their qualifications and suitability to serve without bias. After the jury has been selected, the trial will begin with opening statements, during which time both parties will have the opportunity to present their case to the jury. After opening statements, each side will have the opportunity to call witnesses and present evidence supporting their case. Jurors may only hear testimony and review evidence the judge rules admissible. Therefore, there may be times during the trial when jurors are excused from the courtroom to allow the judge to rule on those matters outside the presence of the jury. After all evidence has been presented, each attorney has the opportunity to make a closing argument. This is the final attempt by each side to persuade the jury to decide the case in their favor before jury deliberations begin. After closing arguments are completed, the judge informs the jury of the law that applies to the case, which will govern deliberations. The jury will then be escorted to the jury room to begin those deliberations, during which time jurors have the opportunity to review all evidence presented, discuss the case, and reach a verdict. Here at Cobb Superior Court, our goal is to ensure a positive jury experience. We strive to keep you as informed as possible during your time here with us. To prevent jurors from having to report each day, jury administration utilizes a call-in system that provides jurors with daily reporting instructions for your assigned panel. By choosing option 1 from the main menu, you will be directed to the daily reporting instructions. Unless you are picked on a jury, you are required to call this number daily. Daily reporting instructions can also be found on our website at www.cobbcounty.org/Superior Court Jury. Jury administration can be reached Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. by calling 770-528-1757 and choosing option 0 from the main menu. You may also email us at superiorcourtjury@cobbcounty.org. At the end of your jury service, you will receive a check and certificate. Both will reflect the days you are physically here in attendance and can be used as documentation for work absences. Again, welcome to Cobb County Superior Court, and thank you for your jury service.